Trust me, I will do it. That was my colleague reassuring me that the work would be completed as per timelines. I smiled back, gave a thumbs up, and immediately went into reflection mode. Pre pandemic, my maid and my cook, they had a key with them, and I trusted them blindly. No questions asked. They had the flexibility to walk in anytime they wanted, finish off their work, and go. All it takes to trust is have an open mind and a belief that things will work out. This principle applies across for work, for relationship. Building trust isn't difficult. All it requires is for you to take an approach that will help you put brick by brick in building a strong foundation that will lead to a stronger bond and trust with the other party. Take those steps and build trust. Till we meet,